Merry Christmas everyone, and welcome to my Christmas video, and also the video that is like summarizing this year. I gained over 500 subscribers. How? Wow, what did I do this year? I have been traveling like a maniac this year. The first 7 months of this year I was just traveling. So I posted a lot of videos. The first 7 months of this year was posting like a maniac, and I posted over 200 long-term videos. Wow, that is a lot. And I was traveling at the time when I did the videos. That is why sometimes the videos is very fast at it. I was just pushing out the videos, pushing out. But also I learned a little bit how to edit, but I have a long way to edit more proper good videos for you guys. And yeah, that is one of the reasons I grow my channel a lot. I was posting many videos. And also in September I started to experiment a little bit with the short format videos, and I also realized that I gain a lot of subscribers that way. But I don't know, some expert on YouTube says that the short form videos are destroying your channel, and I don't know yet. Maybe not. In the short term it's not destroying, but maybe the long term is maybe I don't know. We will see in the future. But the long form video is my that is what I focus on. It's more what I like. The short term is more like an introduction to the long form videos. So if you find the short one, then click on to my channel and watch more of my videos on my channel. That is my purpose with the short form videos. And yeah, that is a little bit how I also switched to English, as you know this. In the beginning of the year, or the beginning of when I was traveling for 7 months, I spoke Swedish in my videos. And I switched to English in October, just to like practice my English and see if I can get better at English. Who knows what the future tells me. And but I also realize it's easier to reach out to more people when you are speaking English. And in the future I want to do more like interaction with the local people a lot more, and also it's easier to speak English, because when I was traveling I tried that, but then you're switching. First you speak Swedish to the camera, and then you switch to English when you're speaking to people, and that gets a little bit weird. So that's also one of the reasons I switched to English. And yeah, you reach out to more people and easier to interact with the locals, because more people speak English than Swedish, at least. So that is one of the reasons I switched to English. And I also gain more subscribers just to switch to English. And of course I have subtitles on my old Swedish videos. So yeah. But now I'm making the Swedish video. I'm making like a traveling guide in English now. So that is what the focus is on the channel at the moment. But in the future, of course, I will do like typical vlogs that I did back when I spoke Swedish, and that will be next year. I have some videos left, and of course, yeah, that will be. So wait for next year. Next year will be a very surprising year for us, for me, and for you guys. But how many countries did I visit during my 7 months? 16 countries. I started in Asia, Sri Lanka, and then I did a lot of countries in Sri Lanka, and I also did Central Asia, and I also did Europe. So I was traveling like a maniac, as I said. And so what is my goal for next year? For the channel goals. It's hard. I think I will just want to get better to speak to the camera, to speak English, to get better to have thumbnails, do better thumbnails. I think that will be something I really have to focus on at the moment. You cannot focus on everything, because then everything becomes chaos, because I'm doing everything by myself. So I will start with thumbnails and edit skills. Maybe I'm going to switch editing programs, I don't know. I will see in the future what the future tells. Also, I want to do more interaction with people. I have done it somehow, some little bit I did it, but not as much as I wanted to do. And but I'm a little bit curious where you all are from. So if you can do me a Christmas favor, just make a comment which country you are from down here below. It will be very fun to see where you all my subscribers are from. And Merry Christmas, everyone, and thank you for joining me on my adventure on YouTube and in the world. Next year we will see what the future will have for us all. But thank you for being here with me, and this was my Christmas video, and see you in the next one. The next adventure for us English speaking people will be Cambodia. Cambodia will be the next video you will experience, and it will be a good one. It will be a good one. Then after that is Vietnam, and Vietnam will be even better. So don't forget to subscribe here down below, and then you have the latest update from me. And I will do a little bit more of this kind of videos in the future as well. So see you in the next one. And we are in Cambodia. And if you don't want to wait for Cambodia videos, then just go into my Swedish videos, and they have subtitles in English, so you can watch them now if you want to. Woohoo! I'll see you around. Ciao, and Happy New Year. See you.